Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on January the 26th, 2021. Apple's head of hardware leaves for a new project. The head of hardware of Apple Inc., Dan Riccio, will resign to devote himself to another project, the iPhone maker said Monday. They provided few details about the chief executive's latest long-term role. Riccio, who joined Apple more than 2 decades ago as vice president of product development, was named vice president of iPad hardware in 2010 and leads the engineering teams for Mac, iPhone, iPad, and iPod development. He will be replaced by company veteran John Turnus, who will join the executive team as senior vice president of hardware. The company is focusing on new projects and moving forward with self-driving car technology, aiming to produce a passenger car in 2024 that could include its own breakthrough battery technology. Apple will report earnings Wednesday with a forecast of $102.8 billion and earnings of $1.40 a share. Hyundai's profits rose 57% thanks to luxury cars. Hyundai Motor Co. reported a 57% increase in quarterly profits thanks to strong demand for Genesis SUVs and premium cars. The company forecasts sales growth in China and North America this year. The South Korean automaker posted fourth-quarter net income of 1.3 trillion won, $1.18 billion, falling short of the 1.5 trillion won forecast by analysts, partly because of currency appreciation. From October to December, the won rose 7% against the dollar. Hyundai said it plans to sell 562,000 vehicles in China, the world's largest car market, in 2021, and predicts sales in North America will jump 12%. Hyundai is also making a big push into EVs. Recent news that Hyundai is discussing an electric car and battery pack with Apple Inc. has pushed the automaker to gain market share in more than 3 decades. Stock markets fall amid concerns over US stimulus. Global stocks fell Tuesday amid investor concerns about uncertainty surrounding Biden's stimulus plan, sending US Treasury bond yields down to 3-week lows, last trading at 1.0381%. Doubts began to emerge about the timing of such a deal when U.S. lawmakers cycled in on the size of the package needed to stimulate the nation's economy. Democratic Majority Leader Chuck Schumer warned Monday that it could be 4 to 6 weeks before a comprehensive deal could be struck. South Korea and Hong Kong are down more than 2%, Japan is down 0.9%, and Chinese stocks are down 1.6%. All of them hit historic highs earlier this month. European futures were also slightly lower. On Monday, the major U.S. stock indices retreated from their session peaks, but the S&P and Nasdaq still ended the session at record levels of 0.36% and 0.69% respectively. Yellen became the first U.S. Treasury female leader. Janet Yellen on Monday won an overwhelming vote in the Senate in favor of her nomination to head the U.S. Treasury Department, becoming the first woman to head the Treasury. Among her top priorities are working with Congress to help the economy and citizens fight the coronavirus, overhaul U.S. sanctions policy, and tighten financial regulations. Senators approved the nomination of 74-year-old Yellen, who previously served as head of the Fed, with 84 votes in favor and 15 against, with all objections coming from Republicans, some of whom expressed concerns about the size of President Joe Biden's proposed $1.9 trillion stimulus plan, tax increases, and other initiatives related to government spending. In addition, the new head of the Treasury will help the Biden administration with the formation of policy toward China. Another responsibility of Yellen will be the issue of sanctions.